Today, I'm going to show you how to film amazing B-roll for your documentary-style videos, the kind you see on YouTube that keeps viewers hooked. And the best part? These types of channels can actually make you money. First, open ChatGPT and head to the GPT store. Search for documentary-style 3D image generator and start a chat. You'll see two options. Pick the first one that says, "I will upload the image now." Next, upload the picture you want to recreate. For my example, I used an image of a man sitting and looking confused. ChatGPT will then give you one main scene prompt and 5 B-roll prompts. Please take a moment to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. If you don't have an image, you can simply describe the scene, like a person solving a problem on their laptop, and you'll still get one main prompt and 5 B-roll ideas. ChatGPT will then ask which B-roll prompt you want to use. Pick your favorite, for example, Scene 1. After that, it will ask for the aspect ratio. Just type YouTube. ChatGPT will generate your image, but keep in mind the quality might not be perfect. That's normal. AI still makes mistakes sometimes. To make your image look even better, take one of your B-roll prompts and head over to Google's AI Studio. Click Generate Media, then select Imagen. You can switch between Imagen 3 and Imagen 4. Change the output size to 16:9. Paste your prompt, choose how many images you want, maybe 4, and hit Generate. AI Studio usually gives sharper results, though you might see small mistakes sometimes. If that happens, just click Run again to fix them. I tested it with the confused man prompt and got some amazing results. You can also use the other B-roll prompts to get different camera angles, which really helps you tell a complete visual story. Now to bring your images to life, go to Clean AI. Click the Video tab and upload one of your images. Paste the on-screen prompt and click DeepSeek to make it better. Then hit Use Prompts. Choose the video length, press Generate, and you'll get a clip with sound, plus smooth camera movements like a gentle pan from right to left. In my opinion, Clean AI produces slightly better video quality. For a great documentary-style voiceover, head over to ElevenLabs and click on the Voices tab. Use the filter options to narrow your search. Pick things like storytelling, high quality, male voice, and American accent. Next, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a short story that matches your B-roll footage. Once the story is ready, copy it and paste it into ElevenLabs. Hit Generate, then download your voiceover. And just like that, you have a smooth, professional narration for your video. Now open CapCut and upload both your B-roll images and the voiceover. Drag them onto the timeline and line up the images so they match the narration. Add smooth transitions, background music, and any extra effects you like. When everything looks good, hit Export. And that's it. You've just created a polished video, just like the one you're watching now.
The cursor blinked on the screen like a heartbeat. In a dim home office, the hum of a laptop was the only sound. Steady, constant, like a machine working in tandem with its operator. From above, the figure appeared frozen in time, fingers hovering just before the keys. Breath held, a charcoal hoodie wrapped around their shoulders like armor. The soft blue glow of the screen casting reflections on their smooth, featureless surface. For hours, they'd battled algorithms, sketching lines of...
If you want me to cover a specific topic, drop it in the comments. I'll pick your suggestion and create a dedicated video for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help. Until next time, dream big and hustle harder.